Well, this one's been dead for a long time, but I wanted to check on the other one, which was finally killed off a couple of months ago. I want to see if it's even still here. Now, this phone had been dead for a couple of years, but it was only in the last month or so, or 2 months ago maybe, that if you tried to call it, you get the beep, beep, beep. And now, if you try to call it, I think you still get the one of those smarmy, we can connect you to another business in your area. Now, that first one I looked at is in the subway, so that's not managed by Rockefeller Center. That's up to, the fate of that phone is up to the manager of the MTA, or the MTA manager of that particular station. I'm surprised Rockefeller Center isn't really where you expect to find graffiti and stickers and shit like this. I'm surprised they've left us here this long, but maybe they don't know that it's been fully disconnected. I don't know. If you call this number now, you should get one of those cheesy, let me see if I can find another business in your area number. At least that's what happened a couple of weeks ago. But Rockefeller Center, I mean, I say this as a total, outsider. This is a class act kind of place, and they keep their shit clean. So, see how long they let this little pocket of filth fester.